Welcome to today's episode of Depreciation Nation, and as you can see, I'm leaning against our Project X3 right here because that's about all it's good for. Was driving it the other day and it developed a coolant leak that was pretty major, and it appears as though the radiator has sprung a leak. I collect parts as we do these various projects, and I've been collecting parts for the last 10 years. And so I happen to have a radiator in the garage that is used. Usually I would not suggest replacing with used, particularly when it comes to cooling system components, but since I already have it, and since this channel is all about being budget conscious, we are going to go ahead and throw that in here so we can start driving it again. So stay tuned, enjoy the process, and thanks for joining us. Wraps the radiator replacement. Our X3 is no longer an oversized paperweight, and we can drive it again. So cost for that repair was basically zero, as I already had the parts and the coolant to do so. So thanks for watching. If you liked today's episode, remember to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to join our nation. Thanks for watching.